problem is I'm sick, so this is gonna be so cringe. Don't show anybody this. This is for your ears only. Fuck. Alright. Call it magic. Call it true. I call it magic. When I'm with you.
These are the worst. Fuck these. Fuck these.
Broken into two. Still I call it magic. When I'm next to you. And I don't. Yeah. No, I don't. It's true. I don't. Want anybody else but you. I don't. Yeah. when I'm ready, Pizza Hut. What am I saying? I don't know. I don't know how to rap. I just know how to sing, and that's what I will do. When you ask me to bring that guacamole to the party, I'll say no, no. If you ask me bring the guacamole to the party, I'll say no, no, no. That shit's too expensive, that shit's too hot, that shit's too expensive, that shit's too hot. I'm broke as fuck, I don't really give a fuck. I don't really give a fuck, 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 yeah, fuck, yeah. No guacamole for you, no guacamole for you, yes. Because I'm such a Jew, because I'm such a Jew. I'm so cheap like that, just touch on my sack, now touch on my nads, just touch on my sack, just touch on my sack, and now touch on my nads, Yeah, cause I don't really know what I'm saying now, yeah. I don't really wanna know what I'm saying now. A gibberish track when you feel on my sack. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, like that, just yeah, in my sack. Yeah. It's a gibberish track, just touch on my sack. Just touch on my sack, cause a gibberish track. Just touch on my sack, just touch on my sack. You don't really wanna touch on my sack, I understand, but I don't really want it from another man. No, 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 no. Bitch, that was my gibberish track. Touch on my sack and no guacamole for you, bitch.